But we hope just generally that all levels of government will step up, right? They just have an obligation here to lead the response, the emergency and recovery response. And what we've found is that because the community response was so good, it's almost given shelter to governments to not step up and step in.
Nananawagan ng grupong Filipino BC, organizer sa likod ng Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party noong April 26. Kailangan daw nila ngayon ng suporta mula sa lahat ng antas ng gobyerno para maipagpatuloy ang tulong sa mga apektado ng trahedya sa nasabing event.
Perspective of Filipino BC, we've become really a primary provider for a lot of these benefits because people can't access resources or because it's been too difficult for them to navigate the system.
$2 milyon na ang naliko mula sa United Way Filipino BC Kapwa Fund at mula rito nakapagbigay na raw sila ng tulong sa immediate relief ng mga biktima, pati na rin sa community groups na naglulunsad ng healing programs. Gayunpaman, hindi raw mapapalitan ng nasabing pondo ang tunay na tulong na kailangan mula sa gobyerno tulad ng healthcare, pabahay at pagkain.
This is not money that has been given to us by the government, right? So the question really is here, is it the responsibility of communities and corporate, entities to fund the emergency and recovery response, right? Or is that the responsibility of the government?
Isang grupong University of the Philippines Alumni Association in BC sa mga nakatanggap ng tulong para sa kanilang healing projects.
It really definitely help a lot of organizations that are out there, taking initiative to see where they can support and help everyone in the community, not just our community, but the general community so that we can come together again and feel safe.
Bukod sa future support ng community healing projects, nais din daw nilang makita ang dagdag oportunidad para sa mga taong nakararanas ng trauma para makabangon muli.
They stop working, they can no longer go back to work, or they have the ability to go back to work. How does that look like in terms of support? How do we bring in the community to provide them access to potential opportunities to have a livelihood or earnings?
Nagbukas rin ang Filipino BC ng isang Kapwa Strong Endowment Fund kasama ang Vancouver Foundation para sa kanilang mga operasyon nang matuloy daw ang kanilang pagbibigay tulong sa komunidad.
In an ideal world, we'd be more robustly funded so that we could provide more supports to people. We run a really lean care team that, deals with dozens of cases at any given point in time.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.